Taxi app live demo. Yes, today we are going to understand the complete live demo of how a taxi app works. If you want to make your own taxi application like Uber, Ola, Rapido, and Drive, this is the very good video for you to understand how a customer can make a booking, driver can accept it and complete the booking. So this is a customer and driver application showing in front of your screen. And now we will show the complete taxi app demo. So now choose your drop location. You can choose it by going on map like this, or you can also enter your drop location. Drop location is the location where you want to reach. And now you see all the vehicles. The vehicles can be controlled by admin, like you can have car, bike, auto, any vehicle. And now you can pay by cash, online, or any other method. And we have coupon code feature. You can book for now or book for later. Let's say I want to book for now. In our application latest version, you can see we have showing the average kilometer and the average time also according to your pickup and drop location. And now make a booking. Once you do the booking will be shown to the nearby driver, and that is how you can zoom in, zoom out the complete Google map. This application is the latest advanced taxi application like Uber, Ola, and Ride. If you want to make your own taxi app, this is a very good solution. And that is how loud alarm notification a driver will receive immediately a user make a booking. A user can easily make a booking and nearby driver will get the booking. He will get some seconds like 10 seconds, 15 seconds. These seconds you can control by admin. If a user want, he can also cancel the booking, but right now we don't want to cancel. So we'll slide to accept. And that's how a driver can accept a booking in your taxi application latest version. And now the booking will look like this. The user will be able to have a chat, a call with the driver, and he can see the details of the car. What is the car number? What is the car details? What is the car color? And all these things the user will be able to see. The driver will be able to see the map, and now he will click on arrived. He have arrived to the customer location. Once he has arrived, now he can see the customer details. If you want to add a waiting charge, you can add a waiting charge, like he's waiting for the customer and all. And now he can click on start ride. Once he click on the start ride, he will need to enter a OTP that he take from the customer. And yeah, that's how the ride has been successfully started. So that is how a taxi app works. A driver accept the booking, start the ride, and now you are on the trip. If there is any security problem or anything, you can click on the SOS button and you can notify to the admin, or you can contact to the police numbers and much more. And now you are on the trip. You can easily track it like this. So when you are traveling, the map will keep moving. And now the driver has reached to the destination. He will click on end ride. And that is how the driver can complete the ride booking in the latest taxi app
Your
version.
ride has ended.
And
Thank
once
you
the
for
driver
choosing us.
complete the booking, that is how the booking get ends. And if a customer wants to pay a tip, then they can pay a tip. And this is the complete trip breakdown where you can see the base fare, distance price, convenience fee, taxes, tips, everything. And now the user can pay by cash or online. And now the driver can confirm he has received the payment and now give a review. And that's how the complete booking feature works in the latest taxi app like Uber, Ola, and Ride. If you want to make your own application like this, you can directly WhatsApp us. In this latest taxi app, we have a feature like driver incentive, driver levels, and many more other features. A customer can also see banner for promotional and more features like this. A driver can see his leaderboard, how many rides he is having. He can see his earnings. He can see what is the earning he is willing to take the payment from the admin. We also have a refer and earn feature in the latest taxi app. You can see all your incentive. You can earn incentive like for getting more bookings in a day and much more. The admin can control the incentives. This is an advanced taxi application like Uber, Ola, and Drive. where the driver app, user app, complete live application demo we are showing. If you want to make your own taxi application like this, you can directly WhatsApp us. Number is showing on the screen so our team can help you. And this is the user app. User can see their history like this. This is the past bookings. They can see the driver name and much more. And it is a multi-language app, so you can have as many languages you want. The user and driver, they both can use online payment, wallet feature, and much more. So if you want to make an application like this, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen. We will give you a user Android app, driver Android app, user Apple app, driver Apple app, admin and website. For more, kindly contact us. Starting your online taxi business is now easy. For more, contact us. Number is showing on the screen. I'll see you in the next